Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first open the Muviz Edge application, tap to edit section and select here one from these available tabs. For example, I'll use this one. Here, if you wanna change the background of this tab, just don't forget to click to apply it. We could switch here the backgrounds. For example, let's use this one, tap to apply. We could also hide music controls after 10 seconds to don't hide them, to show notifications and calendar the date by click on the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging or never. Let's go back to click to X icon, switch ID to the settings and tap to always on display. Here you will see the show on lock screen option always while charging on music. We could also use them separately or together. We could switch the brightness level to decrease or increase it to 100%, to change screen timeout from 5 seconds to never, to use low power also after 5 seconds, or just don't turn it off, to change the screen orientation from the auto portraits landscape to just to close it by double or single tap, to close it on screen on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable it during the calls. But also first we should access the permissions here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.